In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an old resume on LinkedIn. If you've ever found yourself with outdated resumes uploaded to your LinkedIn account, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of removing them. Let's dive in. To start, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. This ensures that you're working with your profile and can make the necessary changes. Once you've logged in, look at the top of the screen and find your profile icon. It's usually a small version of your profile picture located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options to navigate your LinkedIn settings and preferences. From this menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option and click on it. This option is crucial as it houses all the settings related to your account. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see multiple tabs that help manage different aspects of your account. Navigate to the Data Privacy tab. This tab is dedicated to handling the privacy of your data on LinkedIn, including the management and deletion of any information they hold. Clicking on this tab will display related options for managing your data privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the Job Seeking Preferences section. This section allows you to control aspects related to your job applications on LinkedIn. Within this section, look for and click on the Job Application Settings link. This link will take you to a page where you can see all of the resumes and cover letters you've uploaded in the past. On the Job Application Settings page, locate the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal dots next to the resume you wish to delete. Clicking on this icon will display a small menu with an option to delete the resume. It's a simple but essential step to remove outdated documents. Finally, all you need to do is click on the Delete option. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to verify that you want to delete the file, confirm the deletion, and just like that, your old resume will be removed from your LinkedIn account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an old resume from LinkedIn. This simple process can keep your job-seeking efforts organized and up to date. Make sure to keep your account information timely by periodically checking and maintaining your LinkedIn documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. See you in the next video.